What's good? We back again with another dope week. This week, we're talking up the Retro 4 Lightning. Today, I got my homie here, Sarah, to talk up this week's drop. So, Sarah, what you got for us?
I think this dropped one of the hottest of the month. It's an easy way to add some color to your wardrobe. The way I did it, I did the vintage apple sweatshirt because I liked the yellow in it and I don't like to overdo it. Well, I guess I have a yellow skirt too, but I thought that was cute accenting it. And I think it makes it cute and girly, which is a nice option rather than just having regular jeans or jean shorts on. The skirt was a nice way to mix it up.
All right, Sarah, I see. Fresh. But I haven't copped the shoes yet, but when I do, I got the perfect fit. Whoa, it's more like it. So this fit right here is a cool brand. Down below, I have the ripped denim. Up top, I have the graphic long sleeve tee. And for the accessory, we have an exclusive Hibbett brand bull snapback. Put it all together, that's a look.
And that's all the time we got for today. Thanks so much for having me.
We out.